Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 36. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ang Adjust Selected Item function under the Inventory Management module ng BIMS App. Ang function na ito ay ginagamit kapag may discrepancy between the system-recorded inventory balance and the actual physical count. In other words, kung iba ang quantity na nakikita natin sa BIMS at iba naman ang actual na bilang ng stock, dito natin ginagawa ang authorized correction. Importanteng tandaan na hindi ito ginagamit para sa normal purchases or issuances. Normal stock movements should still be recorded through purchased items and issued items. Ang adjust selected item ay specifically for correcting a verified inventory discrepancy. Una, mula sa inventory management page, pumili ng item mula sa Item Masterlist. Make sure na tama ang selected item bago magpatuloy. Then click Adjust Selected Item. Pagbukas ng Item Adjustment window, makikita ang item code at item description ng selected record. Makikita rin ang previous QT. Ang previous QT ay ang current system balance bago gawin ang correction. Next is corrected QT. Dito ilalagay ang actual physical count na na-verify during inventory checking. For example, kung ang system balance ay 10 pero after physical count ay confirmed na 8 lang talaga ang actual stock, ilalagay natin ang 8 sa corrected QTY. Kapag nag-enter tayo ng corrected QTY, automatic na kinocompute ng BIMS ang difference. Sa example na ito, previous QTY is 10, corrected QTY is 8, so the difference will be -2. This clearly shows how much adjustment is being requested. Next, kailangan mag-enter ng valid reason for adjustment. This is important because inventory corrections should always have a clear explanation. For example, pwedeng ilagay ang reason na physical count discrepancy, damaged items discovered during inspection, or another valid and verified explanation depending on the actual situation. Hindi dapat gumamit ng vague or meaningless reason. The adjustment record must explain why the system quantity is being corrected. After entering the reason, kailangan naman ang Punong Barangay password. This is an important control in the BIMS inventory management workflow. The adjustment cannot simply be made by changing the quantity. It requires Punong Barangay approval before the adjustment can be saved. This helps protect inventory records from unauthorized corrections. After entering the authorized password, review the information one more time. Check the selected item. Check the previous QTY. Check the corrected QTY. Check the difference. And verify the reason for adjustment. If everything is correct, click Save Adjustment. After saving, BIMS creates an adjustment record in the Items Adjustments table. The system keeps the previous quantity, corrected quantity, difference, reason, user information, and other adjustment details for traceability. This means the correction does not simply replace a number without history. May record kung ano ang dati ng quantity, ano ang bagong corrected quantity, at bakit ginawa ang change. The adjustment is then included in the reconciliation process. During reconcile period, the applicable authorized adjustment is used to update the official inventory balance. This means the proper workflow is physical inventory verification. Identify the discrepancy. Use adjust selected item. Enter the actual corrected quantity and reason. Obtain Punong Barangay approval. Save the adjustment. Then run reconcile period when the inventory period is ready for finalization. Once applied, the corrected balance becomes part of the inventory summary and reporting process. This is important for audit accountability because inventory corrections can affect not only stock quantities but also reports and financial information. Another important reminder: use this function only after actual physical inventory verification. Frequent adjustments should not become a substitute for proper purchase and issuance recording. If adjustments are happening too often, that may indicate a problem in transaction recording. stock handling, or inventory controls. Sa contextual help ng Adjust Selected Item, makikita rin na the system keeps both previous and corrected values for transparency. The adjustment is recorded for audit tracking and becomes part of reconciliation and reporting. In summary, ganito ang basic process. Select the correct item. Click Adjust Selected Item. Review the previous QTI. Enter the verified corrected quantity. Check the automatically computed difference. Enter a valid reason for adjustment. Enter the Punong Barangay password for approval. Then click Save Adjustment. After that, the adjustment becomes part of the controlled reconciliation process. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin ang View Audit Trail, kung saan makikita ang history of inventory corrections and reconciliation-related changes. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to adjust a selected inventory item in the BIMS app. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com, tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS app button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.